Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the iRacing error code 22. The error reads, "Loading error." As per our research, this error occurs when players try to join a race session in iRacing. Some users have reported that they can register for races and enter practice sessions, but when attempting to join an actual race, they get this error. The error is likely caused by corrupt or missing car files, an incomplete game update, or a conflict between Steam and non-Steam versions of iRacing. This error usually means that a specific car file is corrupted. If the error happens with one particular car, follow these steps. Simply navigate to C Program Files, x86, iRacing Cars, then find the car file that is causing the issue and delete it. Then open iRacing, re-download the car and install it. If the error still appears, try deleting the car's .dat and version.txt files in the cars directory, then restart iRacing. If the error happens with all cars, delete the entire cars folder and reinstall all cars. If you updated iRacing via the browser but still have the error, try opening Steam, checking for updates and installing them again. Sometimes updates don't sync properly between the iRacing website and Steam. If the issue persists, it might be due to a conflict between the Steam version and the standalone iRacing version. To fix this, uninstall iRacing completely. Then delete all remaining game files. Then download and install iRacing again, making sure to use either Steam or the standalone version, not both. Then check if the error is resolved. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.